Good afternoon. Welcome to Travel Agency. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. My friend and I want to book a trip for the holidays.
Yes, we're planning to do a fun trip to That sounds great. Do you have any destination in mind?
We're thinking about going to Bali.
Or maybe Yogyakarta if it's cheaper. Both are wonderful place. Bali is great for beaches, while Yogyakarta has many culture spots.
I think we prefer Bali.
Yes, me too. I really want to. Perfect. How many days would you like to stay?
About 5 days.
Alright. We have a package that includes flight tickets, hotel, and breakfast for 5 days and 4 nights. Yeah, sounds nice. How much it is? It's $400 per person.
That's affordable. We can buy by car.
Yes, of course. Please fill in this booking form and I confirm your trip. Thank you so much, Mr. Sheila.
We're so excited for this trip.
You're welcome. I hope you both have an amazing holiday in Bali. Good morning, June, Lily, and Maria. Welcome back. How's your trip to Bali?
Good morning, Miss Sheila. This was wonderful. We really enjoyed our holiday.
Yes, everything was amazing. The beach was so beautiful. I'm so glad to hear that. Did you stay in a hotel we booked for you?
Yes, we stayed at the Kuta Beach Hotel. The room was clean and comfortable.
And the breakfast was delicious. They served pancake and tropical fruits every morning. Sounds great. What activity did you do there?
We went swimming, visited the Tunnel of Temple, and took many photos at the beach.
We also went shopping and bought souvenirs for our family. That's lovely. Did you try any local food? Yes, we tried jackfruit and satay. They were so tasty.
I love the coconut drink too. They were perfect for the hot water.
It sounds like you had a perfectly holiday.
Yes, thank you so much for helping us book the trip.
Well, definitely us start travel agency again next time. You're welcome.